There are several features of the Carliner Benchrack frame alignment system. In this video, we show you how the Carliner Benchrack increases efficiency and workflow in the collision center. The Benchrack can be easily adjusted to the most optimum work height for technician comfort and versatility while working on the vehicle. Carliner Benchtracks feature removable ramps. This helps the body shop technician get closer to the vehicle to work faster and easier. The Benchrack has a machine-milled surface to provide the foundation for non-slip anchoring and fixturing while holding the vehicle securely. The tilting feature provides a low-angle approach for easy loading and unloading of the vehicle. There are 4 bench lengths to choose from based upon your shop's available footprint and vehicle types repaired. Finally, the installation options include above ground or in-ground depending on your shop's needs. With a Benchrack, you'll invest in the foundation for repairing each vehicle that enters your facility, past, present, and as vehicle designs and OEM repair requirements evolve. With accessibility features that make it easy to reach vehicle damage, the versatility of the Benchrack will allow for faster and more accurate repairs to generate increased revenue for your shop. Contact your local distributor for a free demonstration or visit www.carliner.com for more information.